Okay, class 3rd children. Today we will learn about magic tool selectors in computer. So just recall your mind. You say what is magic tool selectors. Come on, write down in the comment box as soon as fast. What is magic tool selector? I have taught you before also. Today I am just going to revise about magic tool selectors. This is very important from your exam point of view. What is magic tool? What is magic tool? As earlier I have told you that magic tool is a special tool that adds special effects to the canvas. And what is canvas? Canvas is the drawing area where we draw our picture. So what is magic tool? Magic tool is a special tool that adds special effects to the canvas. Once you select magic tool, it shows selector on the right. To apply the effect, you can either click and drag around the picture or just click the picture once. Some magic tool selectors are, this is very important, some magic tool selectors are, some very important video beta from exam point of view, listen carefully. Some magic tool selectors are, number one, this is blind. Blind. What does its function? I will not write, I will just read. Its function is to pull windows blinds down or over the picture. Its main function is to pull the windows blinds down or over the picture. Second is blocks. What is second? Blocks. Its function is to put blocks on the picture and make it hazy. Its function is to put blocks on the picture and make it hazy. Third is blur. B-L-U-R. Blur. What is its function? Its function is to make picture blur by moving the mouse. Blur मतलब और भी क्लियर करने के लिए, पिक्चर को क्लियर करने के लिए ब्लर मैजिक टूल यूज किया जाता है जो माउस के जरिए यूज होता है. आफ्टर दैट इट्स ब्रिक्स. What is bricks? It paints a realistic large or small brick pattern on the canvas. This is used to paint what? Bricks on the canvas. So its function is to paint bricks over the canvas, and that can be large or small depending on the area that is been given to it. Now next one is calligraphy. Calligraphy. What is calligraphy? It smoothly paints on the canvas with a calligraphy pen. It is a tool that provides us a pen to smoothly paint on the canvas with a calligraphy pen. So that these are the 5 types of tool that is very essential when you use the magic tool for drawing on the canvas area. This is clear to you? So what are the magic tool selectors? The magic tool selectors are blind, breaks, blocks, blur and calligraphy. Is it clear? I think this video is clear to you children. This is very important video from exam point of view. A question may arise like this: name some magic tool selectors. So in that case you have to write it down: blind, blocks, blur, bricks, calligraphy. And a question can also arise like this: which tool is used for painting on the canvas with a calligraphy pen? So in that case you write the answer as calligraphy. Bricks, blur, blocks, blind, one word questions can be made from this. So I am giving you some suggestions, some hints, so please refer to this video very seriously. Is that clear? Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind. Bye.